In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add active addresses in TradingView Pro. This is a really useful feature if you're analyzing crypto assets and you want to see on-chain activity directly on your TradingView charts. Active addresses can help you understand how engaged a network is over time, which can be a great complement to price action and volume. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have the chart of the asset you want to analyze open. It can be any supported crypto pair. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a few different categories. What we want is under the Fundamental section. This is where TradingView keeps data that goes beyond pure price, things like financial metrics, and in the case of crypto, on-chain stats. Click on Fundamental to expand that category so you can see everything available inside. Within the Fundamental list, there will be different groupings depending on the type of asset you're viewing. For crypto, look for the Network subsection. This is where network-related data, like active addresses, lives. Find and click on Networks to narrow down the options to the on-chain network indicators. Once you're inside the Networks category, look for an item called Active Addresses. This represents the number of unique addresses that are active on the blockchain within a certain time frame. When you locate active addresses, simply click on it. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart as an additional data series. You should now see an extra line or pane appear, usually below your price chart, showing the active address count over time. You can hover over the line to see exact values at specific dates, or adjust your chart's time frame to see how activity has changed in different market cycles. If you want to customize how it looks, you can click on the settings icon next to the active addresses label and change the style, color, or scale so it's easier to read alongside price. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added active addresses to your TradingView Pro chart, giving you a quick way to combine on-chain activity with your technical analysis. If you're not on TradingView Pro yet, use the link in my description to sign up and get access to these kinds of advanced metrics.